What is going on, guys? It is Dylan here. Today we'll be going over a technical analysis on the ticker symbol NIO. Before we hop into this technical analysis on the ticker symbol of the chart, of the psychology, and of the indicators, and much more, I just want to let you know that I am bullish on the company. I do think that it has been very beaten down for a very bullish company, and I do think that NIO does have a lot of room to run, and I do think it could be the staple of EVs in NIO. Let's get right into the price action and all that. So you do see a descending triangle within this. Let me move that line a little bit. So we do see a descending triangle within this range of around a month and a half, month and a fourth, whatever you want to say, roughly around 40 days or so. I'm just guessing. And we did break above this as we have resisted these lines heavy over the last, month and a half. Like I just said, we did come down and double bottom on this support twice. Came back down after we were fighting this resistance going down. We did come back down. Shorts potentially trying to target this range right here. Sell off around here. No, not around there. Around here, right? Looking to cover right there, see if that will hold, and it held way before we even got into the bottom range of this bottom out. So I do think that is pretty strong that we did get a higher low right there. So I will watch that for support in the short term of things. And yeah, so we did get a not a higher high yet, but that is the start. A higher low. It does look like we're going to break out of this, but it is a little too soon to say. But I do think something that I should mark up that will help this play out is a bullish flag. So you see a bullish flag right here. Very nice. See, it's a little flag, but it is a bullish flag nonetheless. And we did break out of this. I do think this will be pretty nice. This could help hopefully fuel us to break out of this big pattern. Bigger patterns yield bigger results. And I do like within this bullish flag that we did kind of we went in this range for very long. It wasn't a premature break over here. We really tightened out until the lines were about to completely squeeze out, and it had to decide what it was going to do from that range. So I do think that if we do break these resistances, it will be a nice rip. We definitely got to keep an eye on that. You do see we are above the 50-day moving average, so that is bullish. Okay, I do want to see us close back above this over the next candle and the 9-day moving average. We are at 57.97 on the 4-hourly chart for the RSI, so I do think there is some room to run within that 70 range. When you do go in the past, when we hit that 70 range, right here where my mouse is, that black line, you do see we top out. So I will be keeping an eye on that, but for now it does have some room to run. We're in a golden cross, okay? And we did get some bullish news, guys. So this is a fairly clean setup in my opinion, okay? Unless the markets go completely south. Yes, this could revert right back in within these lines and then actually go south. But it does look very clean and due for a breakout. We did get a MACD golden cross, orange over the blue. These little lines are here. That is bullish. We have more buying pressure than selling. So on the 1 hourly, you do see the bull flag that we did break out of that quite nicely on this. A little bit extended, but honestly, if we stay within this channel, that is fine. I'm completely fine with that, as I did buy contracts down here. Going to be completely transparent with you guys, but I do think there is some potential still. I do think it wants to run a little bit of a volume upgrade, but nothing really too crazy, but a little upgrade if we do go to the daily to look at that a little better. It's better than the weekly volume. Yeah, I'd say it beat the 2-week norm, but definitely not around these lengths where people were in the discovery phase of NIO, and it was just in a massive bullish, just trend. So I do think that this could potentially be round 2. If I do mark up where we bottomed out, just to see if there was some previous support there, there really wasn't. I mean, you had these two candle wicks interacting with that, but I don't really see any major points besides right here. And well, we did validate it now, but I was just marking that up to see if there was any other touch points, which there is not. But it does have 5 touch points: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I do think that will be a nice support that we got to keep an eye on at that 34.75 level for resistance. It is looking like we do got to keep an eye on that $41.51 mark, but you could say there's some short-term resistance around this $40.40 mark, or you could just pull it down to the $40 mark. So I'm going to say anywhere between the 41.39.50 and the $41 will be some resistance that I will be keeping an eye on. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. That is my analysis on NIO. I don't want to drag this out any longer than I have to. I do appreciate you guys sticking to this point of the video. Let's hope for a green day in the market, guys. With that being said, guys, proper risk management, all that. Take it easy. If you want to subscribe, I'd appreciate it. I'm out.